In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes on Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that helps you manage projects by offering handy features for tracking changes, ensuring everyone stays aligned and up to date. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can effectively keep track of edits and updates. First, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. This is essentially your central hub where all your sheets are organized. Once you're there, locate and open the specific sheet you want to monitor. This sheet could be anything related to your project, such as a schedule, a list of tasks, or a comprehensive database for your team. Opening the sheet brings you right into the action, allowing you to view or edit its content. Now, with your sheet open, the next step is to access the activity log. This is where Smartsheet really shines in terms of tracking changes. To do this, click on the File menu at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down list appear. From this list, select View Activity Log. This action will open up a new window dedicated to showing the complete history of changes made on your sheet. Once you have the activity log open, you'll immediately see detailed information about the modifications. The activity log provides clear visibility into who made changes to the sheet. Knowing the individual responsible for a specific update is crucial for accountability and communication purposes within any project team. Moreover, the activity log shows exactly what was changed. This can range from simple data updates to more complex adjustments like adding new columns or rows. Understanding what changes were made is essential in maintaining data integrity and ensuring that any significant modifications are approved by the right stakeholders. Smartsheet also records when each change occurred. This timestamp feature is incredibly useful if you have a team working across different time zones or if you need to track progress over several days or weeks. It helps in confirming when specific tasks were completed or when data was last reviewed. In addition to these features, you'll see a comparison between the original values and the new values. This side-by-side view of changes allows you to easily identify what was modified, helping you to quickly assess the impact of any updates. Finally, to further enhance your experience, Smartsheet allows you to filter the activity log by date, user, or type of activity. Whether you're interested in viewing changes made on a specific day, inspecting updates by a particular team member, or focusing on certain types of activities like row changes or attachment modifications, filtering can significantly streamline your review process. By following these steps, you can keep a keen eye on all activities taking place in your Smartsheet, ensuring your projects remain accurate and up to date. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, staying informed is key to any successful project management endeavor.